Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and yes, I'm free today, so I'm gonna make a quick recap. Today I only traded AMC, and it turned out really great at the open. I took it long and took it short. It's just I can't wait to show you guys. But before we watch my recap, you know what to do. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and watch all my recaps and even my previous recaps if you haven't. Just to show support to my channel and to what I'm doing. So yeah, and if you haven't, please check out our trailer for our movie. It's called The Sea Beast. You'll see it in Netflix YouTube channel. So if you search just The Sea Beast Netflix, you'll see our teaser trailer. And yeah, that's what I've been doing for the past 2 years, last 2 years. That's why I haven't been trading couple of months because we were busy wrapping up the movie. So if you can, please support and watch the trailer. Just search The Sea Beast in Netflix. But yeah, let's go and watch my trade. As you can see here, I was actually watching just AMC because I didn't have anything in there. So I wish I took off because this one was an SSR because I thought it was gonna continue and be weak at this price here. That's why I didn't really took it long. And there's not much volume, as you can see here. It's not even 1 million yet. So I kind of have a rule to wait for a big volume, at least 1 million the first 1 minute or first second minute candle. So the volume was not enough for me to chase it. So I waited for a bit. Maybe I said I'll wait for a pullback, right? So it's like opening price was somewhere here. So, and the range is about 60 cents. And the ATR for AMC was $2.80. So that's the daily average ATR. So I'm kind of waiting to see what's really going to happen in the opening price. So opening price is $24.78. I was patiently waiting. Imagine if I chased here, now it's back to a loss, right? So imagine if you chased here, could have been a nice entry was somewhere at the opening price at the 1 minute breakup here when it was bought back, but I was just too slow to react. So I waited a bit and I said, okay, it bounced right at the open. So 24.80 is kind of like in my head that like a risk area in case I'm getting in. I did get in, so yeah, that was my risk, right? 24.80. So there you go, 1-to-1 already. But I haven't taken because I was risking 20 cents. So that's 1-to-1. That was 1-to-1 risk reward already. So I actually just took 10% here. I could have taken everything out, but I said it's gonna break out because there's a heavy daily level in here. So I took 25% here just in case. Took another 25%. Yep, I haven't taken any 25%, so just take 25% here. So everything's just 25%. So this is 3-to-1 already. But since I still have a good amount of shares, let's go here. But since I still have a good amount of shares, I didn't take the whole 3R move. I didn't get the profit of the 3R profit because I was hoping for another breakout here. This is previous day close. I think, yeah, this is previous day close and this is high of pre-market. I was waiting for a breakout there. I was actually looking to add at this area, but I did not because it's really close to my average price. So let's see. I still have a good amount of shares here. I wish I took everything there, but I thought it's going to continue and then I stopped out. So all in all, I got a bit more than 1.5 R, which is not bad. Yeah. So and then I said, okay, it's kind of like hovering and playing around VWAP. Maybe we'll enter again. So I was looking at $25 there. Probably entered risking $25, but I know my risk is too much. Or my risk is probably 50 cents because I didn't want to give back any of my profit. And then when I saw it rejected again, then I stopped out. I actually took it short. Yeah, so short. Yeah, you didn't see it here. Let's look. Yeah, that's what I like flipping when I see rejections like this and it comes with volume, rejection with volume. this is a good area to short. You just risk this opening in the close of this candle, or the open of this candle, this 2505. So as you can see here, I was actually trying to short, but to short this, you need to be on shorting at the ask. So I have a shortcut to do all those keyboard shortcuts. So it'll be hard for you to get in. So after getting stopped out, after stopping out, you see that order? That's a short order. That was my short order, 2488. Let's see, I got filled at 2491 because that was a market order. So I got filled at 2491. Yep, risking 20 cents. So my risk will probably just 25 area because I don't want to risk the full risk. So I'm gonna stop out somewhere at 25. Kind of scary. It's really tight. So I'm watching and watching, see what happens. I was ready to get out just in case, but look at that. So I took 10% here, 15-cent move. Took another 10%, and this is why I get scared. So it's right at the opening price, right? So right now it's kind of like 2-to-1 already for 1-to-1 for my trade. So I was like, it's kind of hovering around. Should I take everything all out and see? But what I did, I took 75% off, which I kind of regretted because I don't have enough shares anymore. And I saw that it's kind of still rejecting. You see this? It's still weak. It's still really weak because I thought it's gonna recover back. So what I did, I chased it. I added back a bit heavy somewhere here. So new average is now at 81. So my average is here. So that's a good average. Okay, so I took some more off because I kind of regretted taking almost everything off in here. After taking 2 partials here plus 75% partial, I was like, why did I do that? This could have been a very nice trade as well. But since I added, it kind of helped, but my add was not that big. So there you go. What's this? This is a low of pre-market, daily price. So these are my levels. When I just look at like low wicks and high wicks of daily candles. So there you go. I was confident now that it's going to continue. I was slowly taking partial because it's not really big. So I think somewhere my target was 2320, the really far target, 2320. So it's just slowly taking profit. So 2481. So that was my average, 2481. That's somewhere here. So after the add here, my average got down to here. So there you go. So a few candles with volume, as you can see here. You see accumulating volume here. So this is kind of like, and it's a round number here. It's kind of like a sign that it's really having a hard time to break down. Actually, if you want, you can take long somewhere here and risk just the low of day. This is a really good risk reward. So I still have my shares. Yeah, see, imagine if you took long there, that could have been the best area. Take profit here. You take profit somewhere here again. They just really good risk rewards. But I added, so new average is 2461. As you can see here, 2461. I'm showing this because of this mess here. So this was to stop out, and then I flip to short. There you go. I've taken more. So at this point, I'm kind of just playing around with my last shares. I'm already happy with what I've made. Man, look at that, 90, the dollar move. That was a 20-cent risk. Imagine if I held most of my shares. But it happens. All good. Yeah, taking more profit in there. Actually, my original target is 2320. That was somewhere here. Let's fast forward this a bit. So average is 2361. So I made it a trailing stop. That's why, when you do a trailing stop, you can actually just leave your desk and it will just automatically drop down. Come on. yeah, so this was sort of my target that maybe I said, okay, I'll get out most of my shares. Let's see. Let's see what I did here. I can't really remember. I should have taken everything in here. Damn, $1.24. It's crazy move. I should have taken everything in there. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I was greedy. It's gonna touch 320. It's basically just a moving average of daily 9 EMA on daily. So that was the area. I should have taken all out there, but since it's not a lot of shares, so I didn't bother. So let's fast forward this a bit. I added. So this was the add. New average is 2404. It's still too far, so I can still technically add more if I want. Maybe just risk this this low here, low candle wicks here. So 90, maybe 90 area. I didn't want to take profit here because it's not a lot. So I wanted to take profit somewhere 2320 or 24, or maybe a breakdown of 2320. I even added more. New average, yeah. So I don't wanna give back. So yeah, that was it. That was intense because imagine I could have been done for 3R or 3R move here if I've taken everything, or 2.5, maybe 2R. But I was kind of greedy. I wanted more, but there were no follows through. And I thought it's gonna reject and like maintain around this price here, but I was wrong. Happens. Yeah, so this is previous day close. I think this is yesterday's low. Yeah. So if you like my video, let me know what you think. Every day I'm still improving in trading, even though I've been doing this for so long. Trading stuff, if you just started and you're having a hard time day trading or trading the open, trading the first 30 minutes, and I tell you it's gonna take years, I think, because there's really no like proper education wherein you'll get 100% right on most of your trade. Yeah, so yeah, that was a bit stressful. I need to rest after this and maybe grab breakfast. Yeah, if you have questions, just comment down below and follow me in my social media accounts. See you guys maybe tomorrow. Actually, I wasn't planning of trading today because there was not my watch list is almost nothing. It was just AMC. I'm wondering when is the next market crazy move, because it's been slim lately. Right? Bye guys.